ke le dimela lotlhe ka koa ke nna gopolang ke mo Street mo sekolong sa M630 combined school ba amogetse metšhini ke ka Riso le M630 se ke se itumelang ke gore ba tlile go na le tharabololo tse di botoka ga ba tle go struggle ka sepe ke rata ba botlhe ba ba bonang kgang e le bone batle ba kgone go na le tharabololo tse di siameng.
Hi, this is Mr. Chikudo, one of the trained technical support, where we received in our school Cositary a machine HP, and we received also a Riso. I think we'll be out of troubles as we're not owning any machine. Now we're owning a machine through HP. Thanks for giving us these machines.
Hi, I'm Mr. Nemaraleti. I'm a teacher at Cositary. We thank HP to deliver this machine to us. I think they will help us in running our exams smoothly. They won't give us problems. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Mr. Simango from Cositary. We are super excited to own these machines. Thank you.